Hello, this is Seth for Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2015 Nissan Sentra SR. Under the hood we have a 1.8-liter i4 engine and a 6-speed automatic transmission. This guy's in blue. It looks great. You do have the Nissan badging up front with the chrome accenting. You do have your halogen headlights right there, and coming around the side here we do have 17-inch rims. They look very nice. The black is very cool. You also have lots of tread left on them. And coming around the side here we do have our heated exterior mirrors. And coming all the way around to the back, we have the SR badging, Pure Drive, Nissan, and Sentra. Now to open it up, it's just on the keys here, or there is a button on the inside. Just gotta hold that. Lots of room back here as well. Looks great. You got very soft. You got some extra mats there, as well as your spare tire just underneath there. And you can fold those seats forward as well if you did need. Okay, we got our keys here. That one does open up the back. You got this guy to unlock it, this one to lock it. You do also have your proximity button right here, so you can lock it, unlock it from there. Now on the inside you do have electronic mirrors, windows, and locks all right here. As well as you got this guy here, which is your handle. You got another handle here, nice soft place to put your arm. And some storage just down here with a water bottle holder. Looks great in here as well. It is very soft. The fabric is very nice. Right here we do also have the controls over our mirrors. We have our in-cabin lights there. We also have that one opens up the back. You got your Eco Sport and your traction control. And then you also have your light control right here. So your off, your auto, your daytime running lights, low beams, high beams, and you also have your turning signals. Okay, the keys are in the cup holder. All you gotta do is put your foot on the brake, press the button, and it starts right up for us. Now right in the center here, we do have our speedometer and our odometer, as well as our fuel gauge and our engine temperature. Now we can switch that around in the middle a little bit to our trip A and our trip B, as well as you got your average, you have your liters per 100 kilometers, you have your average there, and then you also have your average kilometers and your distance till empty. Now, that is controlled from right here. You also have your volume up and down right here. There we go. We have the source changer and the channel changer, as well as your Bluetooth options there. Horn in the center, and your cruise control options on the other side. Right there we do have the controls over our windshield wipers. Over here we have our touchscreen display. It looks great. So we do have AM and FM and Sirius XM all in there. You got a CD player and an aux cord plug-in, as well as your navigation right there. You got your map, you can see where we are. You also have access to your camera options there. Your apps over here, Bluetooth, night mode, you got your skip, your back, your tuner, and then your volume here. And when you are in reverse, you do have that ever useful backup camera, keeping you nice and safe. Down here we do have our controls over our climate. So we got our AC, our power there, you got where it's going to blow out of, your front rear defrost, your circulation, and the heat and cold. This guy here you can open up, you got a bit of storage right in there. You got your gear shift right here, just like that, looks great. You also have your heated seats right here, and then you have some cup holders here, an e-brake, and then you also have this guy here, some storage in there with a USB and an aux cord plug-in. And then right over here we do also have our glove box, lots of room in there with our owner's manual inside of it. And then up top we do have our controls over lights and the controls over the sunroof, and you do have a little sunglass holder right there. And then up top, you do also have your sunroof. Okay, let's take a look in the back here. Open this guy up. On the door here, you have the controls over your windows. You have that same chrome accenting handle here and some storage down here. Looks great. Back here, it is the same material as the front. You got this guy right here. That is an armrest with some cup holders in it. Looks great. And there's our 1.8-liter i4 engine. Well, that's it for my walk-around video, the 2015 Nissan Sentra SR. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself and take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.